Good morning. Welcome to my Yao channel. So today I want to show you how we feed our chicken in the forest and then to find some food for our lunch. The chicken live in forest they are very scary. They just all run away. So you can see here, there is corn and rice from our own field, and we use this one to feeding our animals too. There is the cows from our village. So today the kids, they will bring them to the forest and to feeding them by grass. So you can see here, this is our rice field. And up over here, over there, that is the corn, are all from our people from the village. Wow, this is the eggs from our chicken. I will get two for my baby. And the rest I will keep for them to be the chicks, and then we can have more chicken in our house. This is our rice field, and then there are lots of grass. So now I will cut some for our fish. This is our pond. So we have some kind of fish, but they stay like underground, and they will come to eat later. Because they are very scary. Wow, so you can see the young bamboo shoots coming, and this one is very big bamboo. My father-in-law, he's already like planted this one for around more than 10 years, and today I will get maybe around 2 bamboo shoots and then cook lunch for our family. It's not very easy to take. Wow, finally I get this one. This kind of bamboo later on they will get very big, not only like this one, they will get even much bigger. Wow, they choose small, tiny, but we cannot eat yet, so we find another one. Okay, here we go. This one even much bigger, but maybe not very easy to take also. Okay, I will try. Wow, it's not. Oh, finally. Okay, I get it. Okay, these 2 bamboo shoots will be enough for my family. So I'm home now. So now I will cook bamboo shoots for our lunch. First, I need to peel off the skin. It's quite easy to take off. Yeah, so you can see inside it will be like this. So after I peel off the skin, now I will do like slice, and then after that I will clean it and then cook it. We do like this. Okay, so now I will bring to clean with the water and then we can cook. This is our green chili from the garden. So now I will burn with the fire and then we make it small and then we eat with the bamboo shoot. I will do like this to make it easy. Wow, it's very hot. So it's ready like this. It's ready. Now I will put in the bowl. smell very good. Okay, so this is what we have for our lunch today. We have some bamboo shoot, chicken, color sticky rice, some vegetable and chili. Rồi nha hả?
Bữa ngày nhà nó luôn. Không hổ. Khu mà. Mama. Bà phải na cho tụi hắn thì nào cả nào cho mình.
Now I will try the bamboo shoot with chili. It is perfect. Very good. Nhâm nhâm. Nhâm nhâm.
Mà mặn bông rồi. Chả phải. Giờ không hay mà đẹp sao nhỉ?